We've tested a lot of chimney starters, but this Kingsford model is one we keep using. It's simple, sturdy, and dependable. Just load it up, light it up, and it gets your coals going fast. The size is perfect for backyard cooks. It holds enough for most grills without feeling bulky or awkward to store. Whenever I grill, I typically use 2 chimneys, and one thing I really like is the base design. The holes are big enough to let air flow freely, but not so wide that smaller lump charcoal pieces fall through. The handle is solid and comes with a built-in heat shield. Even when the chimney is roaring hot, we can move it with confidence. We've accidentally left this out in the rain more than once, and it's held up surprisingly well. No warping and still works like it should. Lighting this chimney is quick, with oiled paper towels or a fire starter underneath. Coals are usually ready in about 12 to 15 minutes. There's no gimmick here. It's just a basic tool that works every time, and honestly, that's what I'm looking for whenever I fire up the grill. I've tried other chimney starter designs with fancy features or folding parts, but they just don't hold up. This one keeps it simple and durable. If you need a reliable way to light your charcoal, definitely give this Kingsford chimney starter some consideration. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. Here are the 4 signs to look for to know when your coals are ready to pour out of your chimney. Number 1, you should see the flames start to lick the top. Number 2, the top coals should have a light ash to them. You don't have to wait until they completely ash over, but just look for a light ash on the top coals. Number 3, you'll see a strong glow from underneath the top layer of coals. And lastly, the smoke coming from the top of the chimney should be nice and clean. If the smoke is still dirty, those coals aren't ready yet, and give them a bit longer to burn before dumping them out.